There's some other bank loans that can be pretty helpful, such as the ability to factor receivables. For example, you may get paid in big chunks from customers such as large enterprises who may have a 90 or 120 day or longer repayment requirements. So being able to factor these incoming receivables will help you balance cash flow and avoid some of the stress of making payroll, for instance. Outside of just regular investors, there are lots of resources startups can qualify for free or enjoy deep discounts. For instance, infrastructure credits are often given by cloud companies and can be sizable, upwards of $100,000. Buyer beware though, many of these are only for a limited time, can't be carried over, and can lead to a gut-wrenching bill you weren't expecting. Also, these can be part of a ploy to get you addicted to services which can't easily be replaced by another vendor, which can decrease your flexibility and lead to vendor lock-in. At Linode, we keep it on the up and up and make it easy for you to know what you will pay all along with no surprises. So how to ensure that my business will be sustainable? Build a financial model, essentially a fancy spreadsheet that will allow you to adjust assumptions, timeframes, average cost per sale, etc. There's lots of good templates out there, or just build your own. Key is running through a number of scenarios. What if the market expects a freemium version in the beginning? What if market adoption is slower? What if marketing costs are higher than expected? What if the pandemic surges back? Engage every day with your users. Here at Linode, Chris Aker, our founder and CEO, handled support calls for years, and today still takes his turn every week responding to customer questions. The closer you are to your customer needs and their perception of your product, the better you will be to make the necessary adjustments to satisfy customers and grow your business. Engage with peers and advisors. The challenge to any startup or growing business isn't necessarily knowing what to do, as there are an endless number of best practices, but it's knowing what to do when and how much. After all, we don't have unlimited time and resources, and we want to make the best decisions we can at the right time. Connecting with other entrepreneurs who have been there, done that, can help you prioritize, challenge assumptions, and make you more confident that you are on the right path. Finally, what are some of the potential mistakes and risks, and how do I lower those risks? Well, be a tough negotiator. Don't be too quick to say yes to the money. 5 to 10% may not seem like a lot now, but it can be a game changer later. Choose your investors carefully. And then finally, if you're going to go with friends and family, make sure to set proper expectations so feelings don't get hurt and you don't lose your friends in the process.